Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select the language on the Naver Map application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen and click to the settings icon. Click to the language button under the navigation section, and here you can select a different language. You can use the system language or Korean, English, Chinese and more, and just select one and click that and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.